I'd seen the Jolson story, and one of the songs that appealed to me was Rockabye My Baby with the Dixie Melody. And it went like this for me. Rockabye my baby with a Dixie melody. And when you croon a tune from the heart of Dixie, just hang that cradle, mammy mine, right on that Mason-Dixon line, and swing it from Virginia to Tennessee with all the love that's in you. Weep no more, my baby, play that song again for me. And old Black Joe, just as though you had me on your knee, a million baby kisses I'd deliver the minute that you play that Swanee River. Rockabye your baby with a Dixie melody.